Easy, breezy, beautiful.
Now introducing the child washing machine. It comes in many different colors, and don't mind that brown stain there. You don't want to know how they got there. Woo! Anyways, we have a non-paid actor here to try out our new equipment. Pookie, you can stink.
How dare you say that my child is stinky? But I will admit it is true. But I do not have time to clean it.
Well, I have just the product for you.
Do you?
Yes.
How does it work?
You just throw your kid in.
You did not tell me!
Close it. Select the size of your child.
Tummy is big boy, so we will put it on super.
Super. Alright, now we have the setting for white children, delicate children, and colored children.
Well, I'm not too sure what to put it on, so I'll put it on mixed. That should work.
Alright, perfect. Do 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 do. It's done. And out comes your child.
You turned my child into a yoga mat! Well, I do need to do some yoga, and you've saved me changing diapers, so thank you.
Oh,